Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this session, I am going to explain about the schema validation in MongoDB. So it is a rule. So schema validation means rule that checks the data before saving it in a collection. So it ensures that only valid and correct data like proper type or format values is stored. So here you can see that some points about that in MongoDB usually can store the documents with any structure. So even they have different fields. So this is called schema list. But with schema validation, so we can set the rules to make sure every document in a collection follows a certain structure. So we can use it to require certain fields like name and age. So we are setting the data types like age must be a number and add limits like age must be between 18 and 18 and 60. So when we are entering in between 18 and 60 numbers, suppose if you enter 19, so it will allow. So otherwise MongoDB will reject it. So it control allowed values like department must be IT and HR and sales. So now look at the query here. So create a test collection in MongoDB where the department field allows only IT, HR and sales. So here you can see that db dot create collection. So here we are using JSON schema. It uses the schema validation with the JSON schema, and the document type must be an object. So here JSON type we are using. So that document must be an object. So it defines one field like department. So see that so we are defining only one department. So that is the one field, that is the department. So the department field must have only these values IT, HR and sales. Suppose whenever we are entering some other departments like admin and some operations like finance, so the MongoDB will reject it. So when we are trying to insert other values, so only these department names are allowed in this schema validation. So now I'm going to write that query in mongosh. Already I have connected that in command prompt. So now I'm going to write that query. So db dot. So we are setting the rules. db dot collection, and so I'm creating the collection as test. So here use a validator. Then enter, and here we are using JSON schema. So here JSON type object. So JSON type here. So it must be an object. So properties. So we are entering only department field. Department here. Then open the flower brace. So it must be an enum. Then open the square brace, and so we are allowing only IT and HR and sales department. So close the flower braces, then close the parentheses, then enter. So create collection. So we have given wrong name here. So just set up that create collection. So here also give proper name. So then enter. So it shows okay. So now we have corrected that. So just when we are entering IT or HR sales, so it should allow that departments. DB dot, give the collection name dot and give insert one. So give the IT department, so it should allow. So department name IT. So see that it shows that acknowledge true. Suppose when we enter other departments like admin, so it will reject that. So see that document failed validation. So this is all about schema validation. So remaining we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.